In this video, we learn to construct conic section of parabola. For more videos on conic section and engineering graphics, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw. Intersection of lines method of drawing the parabola. Let's read out the question. Inscribe a parabola in a parallelogram of sides 100 mm and 50 mm with an included angle of 75 degrees by intersection lines method. So, the sides of the parallelogram given as 100 mm and 50 mm and the angle between the two sides is given as 75 degree. So, let us first draw the parallelogram with the sides of 100 mm and 50 mm and also with an angle of 75 degrees. Next, let us divide this parallelogram into two equal parts by bisecting the line AB. So, let the points be equal to E and F. Now, we have to divide the line AE into 4 equal parts. The length of the line AE is 50 mm. So, dividing this line will be difficult. So, we have to take a line randomly of length equal to 40 mm and divide this into 4 equal parts. Now, join this line to point E and then with the help of the roller scale, so let us draw these parallel lines. Now, the points will be equal to 1, 2, 3. Similarly, let us divide the line AD into 4 equal parts. Similarly, that we have done at this point. Now, after dividing the line AD, we get the points of 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash. So, let us join the lines, let us join these points 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash with F. Now, at the points 1, 2 and 3, let us draw parallel lines to meet the points, to meet the lines of 1 dash F, 2 dash F and 3 dash F respectively. So, let these points be P1, P2 and P3. Similarly, we have to obtain 3 more points across this plane. So, we have to do the same step, that is, we have to divide the line EB and BC into 4 equal parts. Similarly, as we have divided the line AE. Now, let us name these points as 4, 5, 6 and 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash respectively. Next step is to join the lines 4, 5 and 6 with F. Now next step is to draw the vertical parallel lines across the points 4, 5 and 6 to meet the lines of 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash respectively, as we have done in this rectangle. Now we have obtained the 3 points P4, P5 and P6 respectively. Now we have to join all the points from A to B passing through the points P1 to P6, which gives the smooth curve of parabola. After joining all the points, we get the smooth curve of parabola. This completes the construction of parabola by intersection line method. For more videos on conic sections and engineering graphics, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw.